What's up everybody? I was recently testing out a Samsung Galaxy A12 and I bought a screen protector that also came with a camera lens protector. This little piece goes over the camera glass to protect it. After I installed it, I took a video of my son bowling and I noticed that my videos were a little blurry and I thought maybe the Galaxy A12 just has a crappy camera. But I took this photo at my desk and you can really notice how bad these photos are coming out. I was curious, so I removed the protective film and took the photo again. Wow, look at that! This protective film is made of plastic, and from my experience, you can never get crystal clear view from plastic. Only glass will give you that crystal clear field of view. If you have a plastic protective film like this for your rear camera, throw it in the trash. Otherwise, your photos will look blurry. If you already took some photos and videos with this plastic protective film, you can clean up the photos and videos in an editing app. You will have to increase your brightness, contrast, and sharpness. Here's the original photo. You don't really need those protectors on the camera lens glass, but if you do want one, stay away from the ones that say flexible and TPU. If it's flexible, it's not glass, and TPU is a plastic. Make sure the ad specifically states tempered glass and 9H hardness. The screen protector that I bought is tempered glass and 9H hardness, but it didn't say what the camera protector was made of. So if you do buy a screen protector with the camera lens protector as a bundle, make sure to ask the seller if the camera lens protector is also made of tempered glass. I hope this video was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so I can continue making more helpful videos.